Hello, students. Today we are uh, reviewing chapter 9 test. So let's begin. First example number 1. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 5 inches. So circumference, diameters. These vocabularies, you need to know what they mean. Circumference means the distance around a circle. So it's just like a perimeter, but this is the distance around a circle. So that's why we call it a circumference. Diameter. So this is the center of the circle. Okay. If you draw a straight line, go through the center of the circle. Okay. Go through it. Okay. Hopefully. All right. So this is your center of the circle. And this line divide up your circle, split your circle into 2 equally pieces. The top semicircle equal the bottom semicircle. So this line, we call it a diameter. Okay, diameter of 5 inches. So we have the formula C equal pi d. What does mean C equal pi d? What does mean pi? Pi is 3.14. Okay, it's a number that we should learn it long time ago from chapter 9.1.1. Go back to chapter 9.1.1. We will find out how do we know the answer pi equal 3.14. Okay, so C equal pi d. That means C equal 3.14 times diameter. What is your diameter? 5. So that's why they take 3.14 times 5 is the same answer, 15.7 inches. Okay, so that's your answer for example 1. Example 2, find the circumference of a circle, radius of 10. All right, circumference is the distance around a circle. So center of the circle, let's say this is your center of the circle. Radius, what it means? Radius, if you have a line from center of your circle, go straight directly to a point on your circle. We call it a radius. Radius equal to 10 units. Okay. All right. So there's another formula you can come up with to get the answer. C equal the first formula, pi times diameter. This is the first formula. The second formula, C equal 2 times pi times radius is the same thing like 2 pi r. Okay. So pi d and 2 pi r. You can use this formula or you can use this formula to get the answer. However, what do we have on example 2? We have radius. So which one is the better formula for you to use? The one with the radius. Okay. So we have C equal 2 times pi is 3.14 times the radius, which is 10. So that's how they get the answer. C equals 62.8 units. How these two formula relating to each other? These two. Well, you know diameter is twice, 2 times of the radius. So if they get you radius is 10, so diameter is 2 times 10 because diameter is 2 times of the radius. So diameter is 2 times the radius. So that's why you have 2 times the radius. Substitute these two in. That's why it's equal to diameter right here. Okay. All right. Another way, radius is half of your diameter. So you take diameter, divide by 2. It's half of your diameter. All right, example 3. Find diameter. This time, they get you circumference equal 163.28 inches. So the distance around this circle is 163.28 inches. What is your diameter equal to? So if this is 163.28 inches, the distance around, what is your diameter? Okay, the line that divide your circle into 2 pieces, they have to be equally pieces. Okay, the top semicircle equal to the bottom semicircle. So this is your diameter. What is it equal to? We use the formula C equal pi d. Okay, C equal pi d means C equal pi times diameter. C equal pi d means C equal 3.14 times diameter. Okay, so find diameter. What do? We take circumference, divide by pi. Fraction means divide, okay? C divide by pi. Okay, so what do they get? 163.28 divided by 3.14. So it's the same thing like the one they show you on the top. This is the one. So that's how they get the answer for you, 52 inches. So technically they take 163.28 divide 3.14. So that's why they get you the answer. Okay. All right. Moving on to the next example. This time, find your circumference, the distance around this circle. What do they get you? 4. So what does mean 4 units right here? It means radius. From the center to a point on the circle is a radius, okay? So C equal, you have 2 formula. Which one you're gonna use? C equal pi d or C equal 2 pi radius. Which one? Whichever way, whichever one you can. Doesn't matter, they both will get you the same answer, okay? So since they get you radius, use radius. C equal 2 times 3.14 times the radius equal 4, okay? So the other way, let me put it down. So I think it's about 25.12. So let's see if I am right. 25.12 units. Okay, let's double check. 8 times 3.14. Yes, 25.12 units. All right, another one. You can use this formula as well. They both get you the same formula. C equal 3.14 times diameter. Remember diameter, what is it? Diameter is D. It's 2 times of the radius. That's why you take 2 times 4. It's the same thing like 2 times 4 right here. That's diameter. That's how you get the same answer. C equal 25.12 units. Okay. All right, moving on to the next one. The next one, what do we have? Diameter equal 10. Circumference, what is it? So you have 2 formula. Which one you like to use? Doesn't matter. They both get you the same answer. So the first formula, C equal pi d. The other formula, C equal 2 pi r. Which one? Doesn't matter. Which one is the one? Both of you get you the same answer. So this one, let's see. C circumference. Pi is 3.14. Diameter is 10. So multiply it by 10. So circumference for this circle gonna be 31.4 centimeters. Let's use the other formula. C equal 2 times 3.14 times the radius. Radius is half of your diameter. So radius, remember, radius is half of your diameter. Okay, so if diameter is 10, so what is half of 10? So radius is 5. So that's why you plug it in, radius times 5. What 2 times 5? 2 times 5 make 10. So it's the same thing like 2 times 5 make 10 right there. It's the same answer. C equal 31.4 centimeter. Okay, let's move on. Area. Find the area of this circle. Radius is 17 feet. Radius, we have the center. We have a point on the circle. Connect them. We make a radius 17 feet. So the formula they get you. A equal pi radius square. What does mean pi radius square? That means pi times radius square. Not pi times radius times 2. That is wrong. So area equal pi times radius square times radius. Radius times radius equal radius square. So area equal 3.14 times radius is 17 times radius is 17. So you multiply these three numbers together, your area should be this answer, 907.46 square feet. Okay, all right. The other one, find the area of the circle. Diameter is 84. So this one, diameter is 84. Okay, this is your center of the circle, centimeter. The formula again, A equal pi times radius square. It's the same thing like when we're saying A equal pi times radius times radius. Look at this formula. We have no radius for this question. They only get you diameter, 84 centimeter. So remember, diameter is 2 times of the radius. So now we have diameter equal 84. So radius is half of your diameter. Okay, diameter is 2 times of the radius. Okay, all right. So now we are looking for the radius. So what we have, radius equal, what is it? 84 divided by 2. 84 over 2 means 84 divided by 2. So when you take 84 divided by 2, you will get radius. Half of 84 will be 42. So now you plug it in, what they get you. They get you pi 3.14. Okay. Radius, you just found 42. Another radius is exactly the same thing, 42. Multiply them all three numbers together. That's how you get this answer. Okay. All right, moving on to the next question. Find the area of the figure below. Okay, this one below. So what we have first way to get the answer done. So this one is not a rectangle. So I try to make it a rectangle. So let's see how can I make it a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is base times height or length times width. So let's see what we have. Area of the entire irregular figure right there. Okay, this polygon, let's make this polygon to be different, a little bit different. How? We cut this polygon into 2 smaller pieces and they are rectangles. Okay, so we are looking for the area A. It's on your left side. formula, base times height, length times width. So on my left side, I have 9 times 8. Okay, 9 times 8 or 8 times 9. I get answer 72 square root units. Area on the right, the B. Okay, area of the B. B right, on your right side. B right. All right, I like it. B right. All right, so we are looking for the missing link. Right here is 4. So what is the missing link right here? We don't know. We need to find out what it is. Okay, so we have 4 times a missing link. From here to here is 9. So 9 plus what equal 11? 9 plus 2. So that's why the missing link equal to 2. 4 times 2 equal 8 square units. So the area of your polygon, this polygon right here, you have to add the 2 areas, the 8 on your left side and the B on the right side, add them up. So area, the final area, the final answer, you take 72 plus 8, add them together. That's how you got the answer 880 square units. So it's the first way to get the answer done. Second way, for the figure, exactly the same thing, okay? This time, I split my polygon into 2 rectangles as well. The one on the top, I call it a top, okay? Second way to get the answer done, different ways. What do I have? I have the length is 9, okay? The width, let's see, missing. I have to find the missing link right there. Remember, from here to here is 4. So right here is 4. Okay. 4 plus what equal 8? 4 plus 4. So the missing link is 4. So 9 times 4 equal 36 square units. The area on the top, done. The area on the bottom, B. B area, or we call it B bottom. Okay. What we multiply? We have 4 and 11. So we use length times width, 11 times 4. We get 44 square units. Now we have to find the final answer, total area. We add these two together. Take 36 plus 44. We add them, 44. We add them together. Our answer will be the same, 80 square units. All right. Next method for the same problems, but different ways to get the answer done. This time, I consider my polygon, okay, like a big, huge, big rectangle, okay. So I have this polygon. This polygon turned out to be a full rectangle. So I'm gonna put it down, a full rectangle, okay. That means it's including the non-shading region and the shading region. All right, so what do I have? Length times width, 11 times 8. Say it now, 11 and 8. 11 times 8. So what I multiply, I take 11 times 8. I got 88 square units. Now I'm looking for the area of shading region. So I'm gonna put it down, the shade one, the shading regions, okay? What do I have for the shading region? I have this link right here, missing. Right here is my missing link. So let's consider 9 plus what equal 11. 9 plus 2 equal 11. So my missing link right here is 2. Right here, missing link. Another missing link. 4 plus what equal 8. So 4 plus 4 equal 8. So I now get 2 missing links already. So area gonna be 2 times 4 equal 8 square units. They are looking for the area of this figure right here. Okay, so that means looking for the non-shading region. So I'm looking for the non-shading area. Okay, so what do I have? I have the full rectangle, 88, subtract the shading area, which is 8, subtract them. I got 80 square units. It's the same answer, just different ways to get the answer done. Okay, all right. So the next question, surface area. Formula, since this is the box, okay, so I know it's a rectangular box. So the surface area gonna be the total areas, okay? That's what it means, total, the sum areas. So look at the top one, okay? This is my top area. What do I have? This is 5, this is 5, okay? Right here is 2, so this is 2, therefore this is 2. So I have 5 times 2. 5 times 2, get 10 square inches. The bottom area is the same thing like the one on the top. Take 5 times 2. You get 10 square inches. The front. So look at the front. This is my front. Okay. My front side. What do I have? I have 5 and 4. So I'm going to take 5 times 4. I get 20 square inches. The back, same answer like the front. 5 times 4 equal 20 square inches. My right side, this is my right side. Okay. I take 2 right there. My right side, I have 2 times 4. This is my 4. 2 times 4, because this is 4, so therefore this is 4. So 2 times 4, I get 8 square inches. The left side, 2 times 4, I get the same answer, 8 square inches. Surface area, I add them all together. I add the top area 10, plus the bottom area 10, plus the front area 20, plus the back area 20, plus the right side area 8, plus the left side area 8. I add them up. What do I get? 10 plus 10, 20, 40, 60, 68 plus 8, 76 square inches. All right. Now find the volume of the box below. So you have the formula, V, the volume, equal big B times height. Big B stands for area of the base, okay, times the height of your box, so times the height. Another way, area of the base is the same thing like length times width, because it's the box, it's the rectangular box. So it's gonna be length times width times the height of the box. So plug it in. Length is 4, width is 2, the height of the box is 1. That's what I see, okay? Or some of you see like, oh, I see the height is 2, the length is 4, the width is 1. It doesn't matter because it's 3D, 3 dimensions. Depends on how you look at it, depends on your angle, okay? So my answer gonna be 8 cubic inches, okay? All right, is there any question? Don't forget to email me before I move on to the next last problem. Yes, I get you a cylinder, okay? And I imagine I'm gonna slide them through the vertical slide, okay? Cut it through. What do I have? I have a rectangle. If my cylinder, I cut it through the angle way, the slide way, okay? What do I have? An oval. The horizontal slide, I cut it through, horizontal slice. What do I have? A circle. Okay, so please watch our video lessons to know more about everything we need to know on chapter 9. Okay, so these are the one that you need to be familiar with: circumference, diameter, radius, area of a circle, composite area. That means this is the one. This is the composite area. Okay, this is what it means, composite area. Okay. All right. And surface area, volume, we go over them all together already. And the cross sections, we already got them. So go ahead and email me anything that you not so sure or not understand. Email me before you take the test, please. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. And have a great day. Bye-bye.